welcome back to the cabin. It's been a while. Well, welcome back to the blind. It's been a while since I've done an update. Whether I forgot the camera or the battery at home or just didn't have time to film. Made a lot of progress. We have the building enclosed right now. All the siding's on, the roof is on. Not really sure where I left off with you. I'm up for the next couple days trying to knock out some projects. I'll film what we've done along the way and then try to record what's going on. So the first project that we have on the agenda for this weekend is mounting Starlink. We had it laying on the ground for right now, and with deer or bear or coyotes coming through, I'm afraid they'll step on it or trip up the cable. So I'm going to try to get up on a ladder and mount it to the roof best I can. So that should be entertaining for you to watch a fat guy that's afraid of heights climb a ladder, trying to hang a dish. That should be entertaining for you. Then maybe put some windows in and here's Bobby. I ordered Starlink, and I ordered the pole mounting kit. I assumed it came with a pole, but all you get is a bracket and a couple clips to hold it together. So I came up with this idea. I'm going to take a PVC pipe, put it on there like this, mount it to the roof somehow, and see if that works. I don't know, low-tech solution, I guess. So see how this goes. Okay. So I bought this little adapter. I'm going to fit it through the house and snake the cable up into here, and I'll fill that with the caulk and see if that works. I'm going to run inside and pull the cable, all the slack out. Can you let me know when it's tight? Thank you. Okay, I got most of it inside. Looks like I got a little slack, but do some cable management now. So the wire comes in here, ran it down, and then put the Starlink unit up there. So that should do it. I'm sure we'll move it around about 400 times before it hits the final resting spot, but that's good enough for to know.